Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and facts about visiting Niagara Falls, one of the most amazing natural wonders in the world. Niagara Falls is located on the border between Canada and the United States, and it consists of three waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. The falls have a combined height of 167 feet, 51 meters, and a flow rate of 85,000 cubic feet, 2,400 cubic meters, per second. That's enough water to fill more than 1 million bathtubs every minute. If you want to visit Niagara Falls yourself, here are some tips to help you plan your trip. Tip number 1. See the falls from both sides. The Canadian side has a better view of Horseshoe Falls, but the American side has more natural areas and hiking trails. You will need a valid passport and visa, if required, to cross the border. Tip number 2. Be prepared for the weather. The weather at Niagara Falls can vary depending on the season and time of day. It can be cold, windy, rainy, or sunny. Dress in layers, wear comfortable shoes, and bring a waterproof jacket or poncho. Tip number 3. Don't just plan a day trip to Niagara Falls. There are many attractions and activities to enjoy at Niagara Falls, such as boat tours, helicopter rides, museums, casinos, and more. You will need at least 2 days to see everything. Tip number 4. Stay in a hotel with a view. If you want to splurge on your accommodation, you can book a hotel room with a view of the falls. This way, you can enjoy the spectacular scenery from your window or balcony. Tip number 5. Take advantage of the Niagara Falls Adventure Pass. The Niagara Falls Adventure Pass is a package that includes admission to 4 popular attractions: Hornblower Niagara Cruises, Journey Behind the Falls, Whitewater Walk, and Niagara's Fury. It also includes 2-day access to the Wego bus system and discounts on other attractions. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Niagara Falls. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and facts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.